Beard curls. Let's talk all about it today because it's a little bit different. Normally on this channel, when we go over textures in the beard, like waves, dents, dips, and curls, it really is talking about how to get rid of them, how to have a straighter beard. But today is for those of you that are like, no, dude, I love them. I want more of them. We're gonna go over how to bring out the curls in your beard. And I really do love some character, some texture in beards. Mine is more on the straighter side. It just kind of is working with what I have and my style and preference. But man, do I love some good beard curls. They seem more rare these days. And so it even makes them stand out even more. If you guys appreciate this content, whether it's helpful to you or if you're like, that's not me, but I find it interesting and I can see that you're helping a cause out there for absolutely nothing cost of you other than time, hit a quick thumbs up on the video, guys. Hype it if you're on your phone. And if you're not subscribed and you like learning about beards, please consider it. My name is Dan. Shout out to those returning subscribers, big baby. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. Step one, stop using heat. If you want to have the curls in the beard, the texture in the beard, when you are drying your beard, do not use heat, right? We know the equation, heat plus tension equals direction. You're not going to get a direction and get some waves and craziness. There's different like crimping tools and stuff out there. Don't do it. Follow these steps. It's very simple. First off, you do want to use a light oil. Thicker castor-based oils, they're gonna really weigh down the beard and prevent the curls from becoming what they are. Now, there is another side to it. You can also add another light product like a butter if you would like. That's totally fine. Of course, we don't want to use balm. There's a whole world, depending on your hair type and preference, and that would be using some kind of cream-based product like a leave-in conditioner. Putting on a damp beard leave-in conditioner and then locking in oil. It's not my preferred method. It's not something that I do personally. However, there are many that do it, that love it and have success. So who am I to say don't do that? I want to make sure I cover all angles, whether it's something that I personally agree with or not. And that's one of the situations where it's like, is it going to hurt the beard? No, likely not. Is it going to help the beard? It's your beard. There's absolutely a chance that it can help out. Now, the most important thing, we got it. Damp beard, light oil, it's how you dry your beard. Very, very important. You do not want to use heat. You do not want to use a towel in a traditional way where we're going to use this as a towel, right? A little microfiber cloth here. You don't want to use it like you're using a normal towel. What we want to do is blot and scrunch dry. Blot towel dry is what they call it. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your towel, go from the bottom of your beard for however long that beard is, and you're going to grab the beard and push upwards towards your face, and you're going to scrunch it and hold. Then all you're simply going to do is release. Don't drag it out. Don't stretch the beard. Underneath, grab it, push up, scrunch it together, hold. You should feel that water through here. My daughter has curly, really long hair, and I do this method to bring out her curls. It's the same thing for head hair, you guys, and it works with the beards as well. So underneath, up, scrunch, blot, and hold, and then let go. Underneath, scrunch, blot, hold, and then let go. You do want to hold it for a few seconds. You'll feel that there's a lot of water in there, you guys, and make sure it's still damp when you're going to apply that oil, and then just let it be. You can do a wide tooth comb and gently comb through to spread out the product. And one of your best tools, as always, you guys, would be your hands on that damp beard, clean hands, not crazy nails or calluses. Get all that done, and then you can run your fingers through your beard. That's totally fine. It's not going to take away from the curls at all. And that's it, you guys. I'm not going to make this a longer video than it needs to be. Make sure you are using no heat. Use a light oil, and then do the towel blot drying method. And I do think that those curls are going to come out more than ever. To end with a conclusion, you guys, number one, if you tried this method, please share your experience. Whether it's the first time or you come back after a week or two, because we do know trial and error is a big part of dialing in your beard routine. And then also, are you someone that loves your beard texture? Do you love your beard curls? Are there other tips and tricks that you guys have? I don't really rock a curly beard, but I do know a whole lot about it. But I'm always listening as if I can learn something. So down below, you guys, other curly beard tips and tricks, drop it in the comments, especially if it comes from experience. My name is Dancy Bearded. I want to say thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please stay bearded and stay positive.